Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating the Snapchat app and signing in on a device you control. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Password and Security or Login Methods. You do this because passkeys are managed under login methods, not general privacy. Make sure you have your phone unlocked and any biometric prompt available. If you use a passkey-protected device, prepare to confirm via fingerprint or face scan. Otherwise, have your account password ready to authenticate before removal. You now find the Passkeys or Security Keys section and tap the entry for the device or key you want removed. Once selected, choose Remove or Delete and follow the on-screen authentication prompt. Snapchat requires biometric confirmation or your account password to prevent accidental lockout. After removal, confirm the key is gone from the list. If you plan to replace it, set up a fallback method like a password or an authenticator app immediately, because removing the last passkey can change how you sign in. You finish by signing out other sessions and testing login with your new method to ensure access. Next, add an alternate sign-in such as a password or authenticator app so you aren't locked out. Make that change before you remove your final passkey. If the passkey option is missing, make sure the app is updated. Try managing passkeys on desktop Snapchat web or restart the device. If problems persist, contact Snapchat support and provide device model and app version for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.